Hi, friends. Ready for a big project? Today, we're building a magic cardboard aquarium that never needs cleaning. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a shoebox, blue paint, some string, and your favorite art supplies. Parents, we definitely need your help for this one. All right, parents, your first job is to carefully cut a large window in the box lid. This will be our aquarium glass. Now for our little artists. Let's paint the inside of your box a beautiful ocean blue. You can even add some glitter to make shiny bubbles and some green paper for seaweed. Next, draw and cut out some colorful fish. Once they're ready, tape a piece of string to each one so they can swim. Okay, parents, we need you again. Please poke tiny holes in the top of the box. Thread the strings through so the fish hang inside. Now they are floating. Look at that. Your fish are swimming. Great teamwork, everyone. Subscribe to Kindle Joy Kids for more big family projects.